If you're looking to improve your client onboarding process and streamline the entire experience, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll dive into how CrankWheel can revolutionize the way you onboard clients, making the process faster, more engaging, and ultimately more effective. Stick around till the end, because there's something special I'm going to share that will make this software even more powerful for you. The first thing you'll notice with CrankWheel is how easy it is to share your screen with potential clients. No downloads, no technical barriers, and no friction. This feature alone can save you countless hours spent troubleshooting. It allows you to connect with clients instantly, just by sending them a link. It's that simple. Your prospects can see exactly what you're talking about, whether it's a presentation, product demo, or even a walkthrough of your services. Next, CrankWheel makes it incredibly easy to customize your client's experience. When you're onboarding a new client, you want to ensure that the information you provide is tailored to their specific needs. With CrankWheel, you can add your branding, set up your own personalized welcome messages, and even decide how your presentation will flow. The more personal you make the experience, the more it resonates with your clients, and that's key to making them feel comfortable and engaged from the get-go. The third thing to keep in mind is CrankWheel's live video feature. Being able to talk to your clients in real time makes a massive difference when it comes to building trust and clarity. During onboarding, questions will inevitably arise, and having the ability to answer them on the spot with a live video connection just makes the whole process smoother. It's one of those features that can instantly improve your conversion rate because it reduces any friction that might lead to hesitation.
Another important feature that makes CrankWheel stand out is its integration with your existing CRM. This means you won't need to manually input client details or waste time jumping between platforms. Everything is connected, meaning CrankWheel can update your CRM automatically with key details about your clients. This kind of automation reduces administrative burden and allows you to focus on building relationships, not data entry. Now, let's talk about the experience from the client's
Perspective. We all know how frustrating it can be when technology gets in the way of a smooth interaction. CrankWheel completely removes that issue by offering a frictionless, web-based experience for your clients. Whether they're using a phone, tablet, or a computer, it's designed to work across devices without requiring anything extra from your clients. This reduces drop-offs and ensures that the onboarding process feels seamless and professional. The last thing I want to mention is how CrankWheel helps to build trust and transparency right from the start. When your clients are on board with such a high level of professionalism, they'll instantly feel more confident in your services. This trust factor is crucial in building long-term client relationships. With CrankWheel's easy-to-use interface and smooth functionality, clients immediately see that you're serious about delivering a top-tier experience. And here's the best part. You can try CrankWheel for free right now using the exclusive link below. Plus, we've secured an extended free trial just for you, so you can experience all of these powerful features at no cost. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your client onboarding with CrankWheel and make every client feel valued and informed. If you want to see the difference CrankWheel can make for your business, be sure to click that link below and start your free trial today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.